Define complaint. Complaint. A statement that something is wrong or not good enough. The act of complaining or the things you're complaining about. What is information? Information. Information is the abstract concept that refers to the something which has the power to inform. The power to inform. Number 3. When the complaint or information sufficient. A complaint and information is sufficient when it contains specific or essential details like essential details including the accused name, the statutory's designation of the offense, the act or omission containing the act or omission constituting the offense, the offended party name, the appropriate in place of the crime.